Hello everyone! You know what? You still remember our first video, right? That
Yeah.
we show about different variety of avocado.
Yeah?
And I also mentioned some of the most productive fruit there, right?
Is it the introduction or
It's
local?
local. It's
Local.
local.
Local
Local.
variety.
Local variety, and also the introductory varieties already approaching of flowers.
Oh,
You must be
yeah.
really curious about it, right?
Yeah.
It's just weeks ago, but now, oh my god! That's why I really interested to show you guys.
Oh,
My soul is burning right now. I want to show you, like, oh my god, our fruit is already perching and it's more big right now.
oh, it's burst fruit?
Yeah, it's perching a fruit, but wait, there's many ants that hitting my legs right now. Come on, then.
Okay.
I think I destroyed their nest. I'm sorry.
And the ants will be angry with you. Oh my god. And he biting you.
Yeah, it's biting my legs now. Oh,
Oh my god.
fire ants, That's why
Yeah.
it's
That's right.
this one, guys.
Oh, these
You still remember about
trees.
this?
Yeah, these trees. Oh,
This
look
tree,
at it.
Come here.
Wow.
Let's go inside of this
All
tree.
right.
You still remember the type of this variety, right?
What is it?
You already forget about it?
Yeah.
It's
Because you have so many variety of avocado, so
You must be forget one of them, right?
yeah,
It's normal because we are human, right?
yeah, that's
You know
right.
The variety, it's called kayangan.
Kahyangan.
Kayangan, yeah.
All right.
Kayangan or kayangan, that's always the
Oh,
same. But come here.
Yeah.
Like I tell you in the first video, guys,
yeah.
that's the most productive fruit in a term of local variety.
All local variety,
Yeah.
but it's more
More
productive.
productive. And in the first video, I already told you that this one tree can produce around 150 kilograms,
Yeah.
Oh my god, all of the ants are mad with me right now.
Oh, oh, it's biting you. Oh, that's it. Oh,
That's
that's
also producing a new fruit right now.
all
It's smaller,
right.
right? It
Yeah.
means it's not only as new. It's
Oh.
new sprouted.
Sprouted.
Yeah. Oh my god, guys.
So, oh,
I can tell you it's productive because look at it. In just one time they can grow 2 fruits, right? Or
Yeah.
maybe more.
Yeah.
Because we also have this one.
oh, there's 3.
There's 3 of it.
Oh
And look
gosh.
at it. There's 4 of it, guys.
4. Oh yeah, my gosh. Over there. Oh, let's get closer. Oh,
Oh my god.
oh,
And also
Will
that,
be-
that one, guys, is the biggest one.
oh, that's it. Oh yeah, you're right. Oh, this is the biggest one. Oh, that is over there.
Yeah. It's the biggest one.
Get. Oh, that's it.
It's big, right? And
Yeah.
just one stem can produce 2 fruits.
Yeah.
Just imagine if we have 150 trees of this
Oh
variety,
yeah.
and we can produce a lot of millions of kilograms of avocado. Right?
Okay, you're right.
Because
You're right. Here is
Yeah.
the
Because-
avocado. Oh my gosh, it's growing bigger.
because only
Oh,
one
that's
tree can
it.
produce 150 kilograms.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So
That's so our viewers.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
all of the fruit is here, and look at that, guys. It's also growing
Oh,
until here.
until here. Oh yeah.
And you know what, guys? Yesterday I already told you about the video about top walking, right?
Yeah.
Look at this. We also are already top walking this plant before.
Oh,
You can see the line here.
yeah, yeah. Let me see.
Yeah.
Oh, this is of the result after walking, right?
Yeah, after working, and it succeeded.
Ah, and then it's burst fruit now.
It's producing a fruit now, and look at it. You were right. Producing new fruit right now.
All right. Yeah. It's
That-
okay. Oh yeah.
There's many benefit of top walking, guys. It prevent the plant to be died.
Yeah.
But also, if you doesn't know about the knowledge, it will be really risky, and you will kill your plants.
Oh,
You
that's
will plants
it.
you didn't have any knowledge about top walking. So maybe someday I will show you how to top walking it, right?
All right. I'm curious. I want to know. Get knowledge from you about top walking. Is
And
that?
also the bark here is already connected with the stem,
Mm-hmm.
so it's a good signal
Oh.
because the nutrition already being transferred to this to 2 of these branches.
Oh yeah. Let's see.
And
That's
before
good.
it, I already show you about the variety that I already filming of flowers, right?
Yeah.
So before it, I will show you about it.
What is that?
I was curious to hang into this plant because it's really strong.
Oh, even it's result of top walking.
Yeah, but it's really strong. Look at it. Strong.
Oh, it's really strong. It's
It's really strong. I'm already grown old enough. Come on, let's see on our next variety.
oh, what is that? What variety is it?
It's called Boot 7.
Boot 7? Oh my god, is it
Introductie.
introductory variety?
From US.
Oh, that's it.
Maybe I already showed you about the variety before in our first video.
Yeah.
And now it's already blooming of flowers now, guys.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's nearly big got burst fruit, right?
Yeah. In just a couple small weeks, I guess.
Oh yeah.
Become more natural now if I get surrounded by this leaf. Come on
Yeah.
then.
That's great. Oh,
Guys,
that's 3.
yeah, you already can see it
Yeah.
inside of this durian tree.
Okay.
Look at it.
Oh,
Look at it.
look at the greatest tree,
big, right?
avocados. Yeah.
And you will see the blooming here. Just go up here.
Up here.
Yeah. Because it's more clearly from here. Just
Okay.
take my hand.
Look at it. Oh, yeah. That's it.
Look at it.
Oh.
This one, that makes me really interesting and I want to show you fastly, you know.
Oh.
Look at it.
Oh.
It's not just a leaf, right?
Yeah.
It's different when, with this one, when it's producing a new leaf, it's different. It's different.
It's different,
It's
right?
different, right? It's more
Greenish.
more sharper, I guess.
More sharper.
But this one is
Yeah.
more circular.
Oh yeah.
It's tall, right?
Yeah.
Oh my
I think
God.
this is will be.
Will be a good avocado.
Yeah.
Because many people say that the Boot 7 variety
Yeah.
is also have a good taste.
Oh. Oh yeah.
I really pray that the Boot 7 have the same taste with the, Pokong head yesterday that we already reviewed it.
Oh.
If you see the video,
And about the productive.
it's really productive,
Oh
It's
yeah.
almost the same with Kayangan,
Oh.
but not as much as Kayangan.
As much as Kayangan.
It's not as much as Kayangan.
Oh,
It's still
it's more.
productive, but Kayangan is more productive than this tree.
Mm,
Also,
I see.
This fruits can grow more bigger than the Kayangan.
Oh yeah.
That's the positive point about this variety.
Oh, that's great.
It's different, right? With the new
Yeah.
leaf here,
Yeah. Yeah. I know.
it's more sharper,
Oh,
and the tip
yeah.
of it is
Okay.
triangular.
Singular.
Yeah, and this one,
This one.
it's round, more round.
More round.
Yeah, circular.
Oh yeah. Let's see here. Oh,
There's
that's-
many, right?
There's many.
Look at it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my God, guys! Just look how profitable to be a farmer is.
Yeah.
Why nobody interested in farming?
I
It's
don't
sad
know.
for me.
Oh yeah.
Because I think if the viewer already watch our video
Yeah.
and see this productivity of the plant,
Okay.
you know what? We just grow this plant this big just 3 years, guys.
3 years ago.
3 years ago, in 2021,
Wow.
we use organic materials,
Yeah.
organic fertilizer.
Yeah.
Anything is organic here.
Oh
So,
my
It
gosh.
grow more faster. If you want to know about how we plant it in just 3 years,
Yeah.
just wait for the next video, guys.
Oh yeah.
Because there's many secret that we have here.
Oh
That's
yeah.
why all of this plant here just planted not in a 10 years but 5-7 years.
Oh.
Especially this durian.
This durian, yeah.
Normally it takes around 10 years, right?
Yeah.
But we have it here just 8 or 7 years ago.
Oh. It's nearly bird fruits, right?
Yeah, it's the producing fruit and it's the king of the fruit. And we have the super fruit here.
Yeah.
King, super. Oh my God.
It's
Maybe next time I will add the queen fruit, the mangosteen.
okay.
But the avocado is my main point because it's a superfood. Every age can eat it.
Yeah.
Have a lot of nutrition in it.
I agree.
Yeah, you agree, right?
Yeah.
And also it's very healthy for our body.
And there's many variety.
Yeah,
I
many
think.
variety of it, not just 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
but I
So
already-
different variety, different taste.
different variety, different taste, uniqueness,
Oh,
and also
interesting.
if you just see a farming as a work, every variety have their own price.
Ah, that's it.
Maybe you already see the video about the Sappo 34, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's longer,
Yeah.
and one fruit can around 15,000, not 50,000, but $15.
Oh.
And you know what? I already checked the price of the pokong yesterday.
Yeah.
One fruit, each fruit is $25.
Oh my gosh, it's a high price.
It's really high price. It's one fruit, not 1 kilos, you know.
Wow, that's it.
Imagine if we sell it 1 kilos, we can get
Wow, you can count it.
$200, right?
Yeah, I see.
It's profitable, guys. Don't forget to start your farming now because
Okay.
our farming really supply our oxygen now.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you for watching my video.